Imagine walking into your garage and seeing all your bikes floating on the wall. No clutter, no chaos, just clean, sexy, organized space. If you love your bike but hate the mess, then stay with this video, because today is all about the most irresistible bike storage solutions on the market right now. Most people just lean their bikes against a wall, scratch the paint, trip over wheels, and waste half the garage floor. But smart cyclists are turning their garages into minimalist showrooms with wall-mounted racks that swivel, save space, and even protect bikes with fenders and mudguards. And the best part? You don't need to drill like crazy or lift heavy weight over your head to get that premium look. First, for people who want maximum capacity, there's the Montic Swivel Bike Wall Mount 4-pack. It swivels to the side to free up space, needs no heavy lifting, and each hanger can hold up to 77 pounds. Perfect for multiple bikes in one tight garage. If you want that bike gallery wall look, this set is a no-brainer. If your bikes have fenders or mudguards, SteadyRack is the smooth, premium option. It's an easy lift swivel wall mount designed specifically for bikes with fenders, so you can store them vertically without bending anything out of shape. Think of it as a vertical parking spot that keeps your bike safe, straight, and ready to roll. Hate lifting bikes at all? Then Tourak BikePal is your new ally. This no-lifting swivel bike rack lets you roll your bike in, tilt, and store it on the wall with almost no effort. It's a space-saving, wall-mounted holder made for garages where every inch counts. Maybe you don't want to drill into walls. No problem. The Delta Cycle Michelangelo 2-bike storage rack uses gravity to hold your bikes. Fully adjustable for road, mountain, or hybrid bikes, and can hold up to 80 pounds. You just lean it against the wall, hook your bikes, and suddenly your vertical space does all the work. And if you want something sturdy, vertical, and simple to install, the second Montic Swivel 4-pack is perfect. Each rack holds up to 66 pounds, gives you a clean vertical layout, and turns your garage from crowded to curated in one afternoon. It's ideal if you're serious about bikes and storage, but want a plug-and-play solution. If you're ready to turn your garage into a sleek, organized bike sanctuary, don't wait. Click the link right below this video to get any of these best-selling bike storage systems directly from the official site before they sell out. Your bikes deserve better than the floor. Tap that link now and give them the premium home they deserve.